YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today's your first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so last week we started learning about Yoruba numbers, okay? We learned from 20 to 30, and this week we're going to be learning from 30 to 40. Yay, how exciting! Yes, okay, for those of you that you've missed the first three videos of Yoruba numbers, you might want to catch up, okay, on my previous videos, all right? So, as you know, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Tí òní bá jẹ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ máa wá sórí ètò ẹ wò, inú mi dùn láti rí yín. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, a kọ́ nípa àwọn òǹkà èdè Yorùbá. A bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọ́ láti orí 20 dórí 30. Tí ẹ bá mọ̀ wípé ẹ ti rí àwọn fọ́nrán tí mo ti ṣe sẹ́yìn nípa òǹkà èdè Yorùbá látorí 1 dórí 10, látorí 10 dórí 20, látorí 20 dórí 30. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ lọ wò wọ́n kí èyí tá a máa kọ́ ní òní kó lè yé yín yéké. Ẹ ṣeun. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ lè ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òní máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys, so we're going to be reciting our 30 to 40 today. If you can remember, last week we learned 20 to 30, which is Ogun. Ogun is 20 and 30 is Ogun. Okay, so today we're going to be learning from 30 to 40. Now remember the ground rule, like I said last week, the ground rule is between 31 to 4 we are adding, and then from 35 to 40 we're going to be deducting. Okay, so just like we did last week, let's carry on again. 40 is Ogoji, which is Ogun Meji. That is 2 times 20. That is Ogun Meji. Ogoji. Did you get the idea? Okay, yes. I know you got that. So Ogun Meji, which is 20 plus 20 or 20 times 2, we give you 40 at the end of the day, right? So it is Ogun Meji, but you can't say Ogun Meji, so you have to say Ogoji. Okay, you get that? All right. So let's crack on. So 30 is Ogbon. 31 is Okanlelogbon. All right. 32 is Ejilelogbon. 33 is Ẹ̀tàlélọ́gbọ̀n. 34 is Ẹ̀rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n. So we're done with our additions now. Now we start subtracting, okay? So our 35 is Àrùndínlógójì. Àrùndínlógójì. 36 is Ẹ̀rìndínlógójì. Ẹ̀rìndínlógójì. 37 is Ẹ̀tàdínlógójì. 38 is Èjìdínlógójì. And then 39 is Ọ̀kàndínlógójì. And 40 is Ogójì. I am sure you're getting a grip of it now, yeah? Fantastic. So that is just it. That is the ground rule, okay? So what I'm going to do is, next week we're going to learn from 40 to 50, okay? And then we're going to put a stop to that, okay? And then we carry on with other things. And then we can always come back again. We can learn from 50 then to 100, okay? All right then, until I see you next week, as you know, we're going to be saying our order but together on the count of 8.